This is yfh03001d. This is an Orient Star watch under the Retro Future collection. Now, in this example of the Retro Future, we used a motorcycle design and translated that into a functional watch design. Now, just in the beginning, you can obviously see these white plastic parts located here and around the balance wheel over there. What that does is, what it's trying to do is trying to look similar to a motorcycle. Just like in a motorcycle, you have an engine and plastic coverings. We're trying to place that on top of the movement to give that same emphasis. So, going deeper into the watch, you notice over here we have an exhibition dial, which means you can see through the movement right here in the balance wheel and right here at the stem. Now the balance wheel, as you can see, is oscillating. Now that is basically the timekeeping mechanism inside the watch. Over here, as you're adjusting the time, you can actually view the stem rotating and the mechanisms that are affected from the rotation. It's actually a very, very nice, nice feature on the watch. At the 6 o'clock position, that is where our second hand is. Now, since it's a mechanical watch, we want to keep, and especially because it's a semi-skeleton, we want to keep the second hand kind of out of the main picture. So we place it elegantly at the 6 o'clock position. Now, on the 12 o'clock position, you'll see something that goes from 0 to 40 over here. Now, this is a power reserve indicator. A power reserve indicator works just like a fuel gauge and lets you know exactly how much more power there is left in the spring. This is important when just before you go to sleep, or just about any other time when you can take off the watch. What it does, you can confidently say, as you're taking off the watch, that it's going to work for so many hours. So let me give you an example. Right now, the watch is showing close to 0. So once that indicator shows 0, then the watch is going to stop. As you wear the watch, the indicator will be going on an increasing trend to 40 as you're powering the spring. Let's take a look at the band, which uses a matte finish on the centerpiece, and on the sides you'll notice a finished look on both sides, stripes, which gives a very sporty feel. This was yfh03001d.